If you are decided that you'll come to Australia in a student visa, you must have some questions like what are the papers you need to prepare and how you can do that and when you should start processing. And in this video, you have the answers. Well, the very first point is you have to choose a subject that you want to study that might be related to science, business, or humanities. And you have to choose your educational institution that might be a university or college. And the second point is you have to choose the state where you want to go and you want to study. Right? That might be New South Wales or Tasmania, Melbourne, Adelaide, wherever you want to go, you have to choose that. And then you have to start communicating with the university or the college, I mean your institution. At the first place, you have to submit your own academic documents, your own academic transcripts and certificates, and then your proof of language proficiency test like IELTS or PTE, whatever is the requirement. And then you have to submit your passport. Sometimes it requires to send your SOP as well along with the CV. And if you send all these documents to university or college will issue offer letter for you. And step four is you have to do your health insurance from Australia nominated health insurance provider, for example, from Alliance or Bupa or from any other health insurance provider. You have to do your health insurance, which is popularly known as OSHC, Overseas Student Health Coverage. And step five, where you have to send your health insurance documents to the university and the tuition fees of the first semester. And sometimes university might ask you to send your sponsor related papers. And if you send all these documents to your educational institution will issue COE, confirmation of enrollment. And step six, now you have to apply for the visa. And when you will apply for the visa, you have to pay visa fee and you have to go for health checkup and will take appointment for your biometric. You have to fill out some forms as well. And once everything is done, your application is done, and it might take 3 to 4 months to get the result. And if you get the visa, apply to Australia. Well, these are some few steps that you have to go through, but I will have videos on each and every single step separately. And meanwhile, thank you everyone for watching the videos and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.